How to find or get your Shopify API keys. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. Now I'm going to show you how to get both the secret key and also the public one. And it's actually very simple. So let's just go and get started and show you exactly what you need to do. So obviously, for whichever reason you may need this to create it, you just want to go to the apps section from your Shopify dashboard, click on apps, and then you just want to go ahead and click on app and sales channel settings. So once you click on that, we are pretty much just going to be in this page where you'll find all the different applications that you have. Ignore all of this. What we actually need is the button right above, which should say develop apps. So click on that. And then this is just going to show up here for us if it's our first time developing our apps on our Shopify store. Now, there are going to be apps out there that are going to require this, so maybe this is what you need to do. Anyways, so you just click on allow custom app development and then just allow custom app development one more time. Sorry about that bird. It's 1 a.m. I'm not sure why that bird is awake. Anyways, so once that's done, we should find ourselves in app development, and we can find the option to create an app. This is exactly where we need to go, so just go in and click on create an app. Obviously, the name of the app you should know already, so I'm just going to name it test here, and then I'm just going to click on create app, and we're pretty much good to go. We can actually find our API keys right away from this. So just go ahead and go to once you actually did create your app, you should find API credentials right over here. So just go and click on that, and you should find yourself over here. Scroll down a little bit, and you should actually find the API key, as you can see, and we can also see the API secret key, which you can just simply reveal from here and copy. And same goes for this one. If you just want to copy it, click on this, and it should say copied to clipboard. Now, if they're going to ask you also for the token, now that's a completely different story. You actually need to configure it in order to get to the token or the access token. So you can just go in and do the storefront or admin. I'm just going to go for storefront. And we can just go and check whichever one that is going to be suitable for us. Click on save. If you have steps to follow, then obviously make sure you select exactly the ones that are needed. And then the last step is just go ahead and click on install app on the top right. Click on that, click on install. And we should actually get our token just like that. So as you can see, we get our token. We can just go ahead and copy it. So now we have access to our access token, API access token, and we also have the API keys and secret keys available for us. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.